Things can turn around. Amen.
Izinto zikachange. Funda.
Verse 6. Wathi umfowabo kaThixo, iwephi na?
Now, ukwabantu abakhoyo that are placed by God strategically in your life
Kunabantu
to ask the relevant questions.
ababekwe nguThixo for them ukuthi babuze imibuzo.
Those that will ask, where fell it?
Ukuthi iwephi?
Where fell it?
Iwephi?
Those people that will locate
They will look
what has fallen.
bakufune okuwileyo.
Those that will ask the relevant questions. That where fell it?
Ukuthi iwephi? What I want you to show me.
Uye waphelelaphi
Where
ukusebenza?
did you end with your
Because ubuyenza kakuhle lento ubuyenza.
doing it so
But
well?
uphelele ndawoni.
Where did you end?
Where fell it?
Iwephi?
Iwe ndawoni.
Where did it fall?
Ubusenza izinto sibone ngabantu.
Things that we see
Ubuhlabelela amazulu.
used to fall.
Ingelo sesigathi sibe phakathi kwethu. Kodwa iwephi?
Where did it fall?
Iwephi?
Jesus.
Lento ubuyinikiwe iwephi?
Ways
Utheni songafani nakuqala?
different.
Iwephi?
Jesus.
Iwephi? Can they handle it? Because now the reason they did not want to leave him behind,
Isizathu soba bengafunanga ukuthi bamshiye.
it was that they were in the same level
Bebeku-level elinganayo
as the servants.
nezintanga.
They saw where it fell,
Baye babona ukuthi iwephi.
but they were unable to retrieve what has fallen.
Kodwa bebengakwazanga ukuyithatha.
They were in the
leyo.
same level. They were brothers.
Bebekumgangatho olinganayo.